All right, look at this. This is what size is this?
2.25, right?
2.25. Look at that. And we're fitting it there. This is going slant. So we're gonna set up the other part too. So right now we have the entry there. We're gonna unlock it, and this is what the gaskets are for. So it won't move side to side. You can set it up closer. So right now we're gonna set it from one entry into the other one. And then we have the lock here. If you guys can see, the lock goes in here, and then you put in the cap. It's a twist cap. All right, here's the entry, nice and tucked. So when I say that you could put the gasket, it's for this thing won't move too much, all right? So you could adjust them how you want. That's another thing you can do. Now we're gonna set up the actual part of the actual ball heads, all right? Either way on this one, but you see this? It's like a puzzle piece, and then you find your dimensions however you want, higher, lower. So you have a lot of options here. You got up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that you could raise it from. And if you need to go higher, you could twist this the other opposite way too. See how this is loose? Not that loose, that much. See that?
Yeah.
So you could put a gasket, another one.
Yeah, so it won't fall out.
So it won't even move. So it won't make that rattle noise like you were talking about. So right now we have it at 2/16, 2/5/16, if you guys can see that. Now we're gonna rotate it to the opposite end, to a smaller version, the 2.22 inch. We could go lowest. Let's go to the lowest level. So we got the 2 inch. We just flipped it around. We got to the lowest level. You could go to the highest. Now, this is compatible with certain trucks. Just make sure you know your model make. It's over like I said, it's over 2.5 inch on the entry.